Apex News, India Northeast.
Play Pibro, Kanega ke Apex News India, Kikuborban Pulia di Piba Corridor Marbo. Tingnya Pashwa Shikimat Kibakongsan. Kikubor kibabnya. Menteri Katanat PHE Marcus N. Marak hakasngi balang ulapin benapat ba daka kubor ke bas ngobha bat ula kular banadu kasngi palay un pinti kena ya ka jingyo kaba klem boteng ha kanong ba shilong kabalamat ya ka jingduna hadien chisngi bakayeng kasyari High Court ka Meghalaya kala register ya ka PIL halor ka jingduna kabajur ha kanong ba. Menteri Katanat PHE ula keno ya ka National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL bakala penjulor ya ka pipeline kaba kongsan ha kapor badang pentrikam ya ka kamshna surok kabalawan ra ya ka jing penthod ya ka jingyo
Inside the NHIDCL constructed road, newly constructed road, and the leakage was well inside the new constructed NHIDCL road. And it was very difficult to excavate to the point where the pipe is laid. So therefore, the department has no other option but to go for a alternative line, and department has gone for the alternative line. Around stretches of 300 meters, new line has been created. Pipes have been laid, for which it has taken some time. I think 8 days altogether till today. It is 8 days today. So therefore, it has taken some time because new line has to be created, because the earlier line, which was broken and water was leakage inside, could not be repaired at all because of the NHIDCL work. This has happened, at the same time when PHE department is realigning the pipes because of the highway construction by NHIDCL. So fortunately, we have taken some NOCs and some permissions whichever was required for laying the pipes all alongside the road. Otherwise, it would have taken so long. So I understand people have suffered a lot. I would assure people that PHE department has taken a lots of pain. Whole night officers were camping there, doing the work. They have not slept well till last 1 week, and they have been doing the work. So now everything is restored, everything is completed, all the works are completed, and we are hoping to release the water gradually after some time from today evening. But full volume of water will be released by tomorrow.
Kajing yarap halor kajing pelat ya ki hadien kajing ya kendu ya kajing kerdu hasilong kabalane tang arkanta kabala penpoi biang ki hadien kajing du kabane shitayo ka Public Health Engineering Department kalasdang biang ya kajing du hakajanmi jong kasni baar Henry kajing sangya biang ya ka hadien baladon kajing shakta namar kajing lat upai kabajur ha 101 area kabahap hapo ka Division 1 jong ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme. Kihe sorkar kilaya thu balazdang ban maramot mardor bat lakmi lenti ban penbhapat hadu kasni balang. Menteri ka PHE Marcus N. Marak ulalet ban jurup yakate ka jaka bat ula pentikna baka jing penbiang pura kan sasdang biang shen. Bat ula yaro ru yakinong tray ki batray shitom baro shisngi. Ka Meghalaya High Court kalashim khiabha yaki khubor balapen mi da kilat pathai khubor halor ka jing banyo kabadang yai pensange hakanong ba shilong but la register ya ka public interest litigation ka division bench kabala lam khmat da Chief Justice Somensen kalabatha ba kani ka kam baka day ban register kat kum ki kait point bapen mi da ka de shilong time Advocate General ula pentip hakayeng kasyari baun IT ya kakait point hakasngi balang. Umentri ketenat jengok kai perthai Timothy D Shira ulapan bena ya ka jingtmu ban bo ya ki CCTV haki jaka jengok kai perthai balajet hakaleng ke jela ban penklan ya ka jing pahara kani ka sinjam kalong hadien ka jingja ba dangshan kenthop ya ka jing sha penyap brio hasora Umentri ulaong ka jing pet benya on penlong daki officer jong ketenat jengok kai perthai jong ki district bat on bo ya ki CCTV haki jaka badan kam Ula ban juru ban pendap yaki projek jengok kai perthai ki badang ya chakmat shwa ban zdang ki ba thamai bat ula penpau yaki jingtmu ban kentio yaki kam jengok kai perthai haka kerdan blok penyo ai kam yaki nong shong shno menta kasngi umentri rangba ka jela kongrat ke sangma ula play pajba ya ka city beautification drive ha maulai mauro haka nong ba shilong ka jingtmu kalatmu ban penlong ya ka jakasar ki ba kham khuat kham jingam kham shingan bat kham itnat umentri rangba ka jela ulaong ba ula dabbo yaki CCTV haki arpusantli na ki saupusantli ki jaka ba ithu bat ki jaka ki badang sa on salum no shen ula banjuru yaka jingye shem benta jong ki patba bat ula pen bana yaki wei pat ki benta jong ka jingbo yaki CCTV bat ki jing shai haka suro
Maulo you're on camera. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're in.
So this is the output.
But where is on this? Okay. Professionals to do it. Thank you so much. Great. I'm really looking forward to this whole thing being done. It looks so beautiful when it's done. Really looking forward. How long will you take to do this?
It depends when we're gonna assemble the team and kick off.
2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month?
Yeah, 1 month.
1 month's time.
Because it's a long stretch.
I think we can.
Okay.
Okay. So is this. There we go.
We will get this out from this law.
I should explain now. Yeah. All these things. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is the main camera.
Yes.
And so the whole entire time is going up.
Yes.
Running on the switch.
Right.
Yeah. So you can leave your mark.
I'll have a. Here?
Yeah.
Black. Here. So we go.
Nice.
Yeah. Develop their space. Your space, company is not going to take it. We will give you money to develop it.
2, 3. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinci. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What is up? Okay, thank you so much. There, what is up? Thank you. 56. This is the budget. This one must be more.
Timothy D Shira menteri tenat jengok kai perthai ulapan pau ya ka jingshai Christmas hakane kanong ba shilong kan duna menta usnam namar ka jing duna pisa on pen itenat tang haki jaka kibala jit Ulaong baka sarkar kan pelet jingmut yaki jingte hakakam jungo kai perthai kenthub yaka jingpenhe yaki jakasa lingba ki homestay ki ying nong wan jungo kai bat ki hotel bapenya daka PPP kum ka Viventa bat Marriott ki jingtmu kidang yad ru ban kentiyo yaki hotel Orchid Shaka Kerdan 5 star.
But however, we have already decided to make it a lighting decoration in the places where the art and culture do not do this lighting decoration. Because usually in Shillong, since a long time, the light decoration is being done by the art and culture. But they have a limited fund and they cannot do many important places of Shillong. So in order to help them, so this year we have already chosen a few places to make this lighting decoration in order to attract the tourists coming from outside or even from the state itself.
So what are the provisions, since a lot of tourists, they come here visit Shillong and other parts also. So is there any special arrangements done for the tourists?
There is no such special arrangement, but government has taken steps to sanction for constructions of homestays, guest house, in order to keep an accommodation for the tourists. And then government also has established 2-3 hotels like this Hotel Vivanta and Hotel Marriott. So these are the hotels constructed by the government of Meghalaya, and now this is given on say PPP mode, running PPP mode. So with these new hotels coming up, more accommodations are made available to the tourists. And then in future, many more hotels will be coming up, and we have already decided to upgrade whatever the existing hotel orchids are there into 5-star hotel, even at Tura, even in Shillong, even somewhere also.
Okay. So sir, the fog, there is a problem, a lot of major cities in India, they are facing the problem of the fog. Okay, and the dense, dense fog, and due to which a lot of accidents has happened. So is Meghalaya prepared for that?
I beg your pardon?
Kidkot ka Voice of People Party bakentop ya MDC bala Shajit kila penlong yak jing yaki habar jong ka office ka GHADC halor ki jing bam siu tulap yaki nong tre ka council hakini ki khendai banai balada kinong yaki kila persya bankhang yaki main gain ba hanrei kila dawa yaka jing wan tu kelar koloi jong ka sarkar kila pensenge yaka jing yaki tang hadien ba kila yo yaka jing kular haka jing ai ktien bala tho shaphang kapor ban siu yaka tulap ka railway kalawan ra ya ka kendon ka bathamai ha ka bamenta on pen kre ya ki reservation chart kham koloi banya ka bamanchwa kani ka ailat ya ki nong let nong wan ban tip lupa ya ki ticket jongki ha ka ba kila sha pen scam kaladon ka jing up ne ha ka RAC Unitin Ghatkari umentri ka sarkar pedeng jong ka tenat Union Road Transport ulapen bana baka India kan pentre kamno ya ka multi lane free flow tolling but ka AI based system ban penya ya ka surok ba ha ka bakut jong usnam arah jar arphunrio hapo kani ka rukom trekam ka bathamai ya ki bailot ksan on sa ot hidalade da ka bapindan kam ya ki coring door ANPR camera but ka satellite based GNSS technology claim da sange haki jaka tab bailot ksan
नंबर प्लेट का फोटो निकाल लेगा, फास्टैग का निकल जाएगा, रिकॉर्ड डायरेक्ट सैटेलाइट से उसमें जमा हो जाएगा, बैंक अकाउंट से पैसे निकल जाएंगे और कहीं कोई तकलीफ नहीं, कोई पैसे मांगना नहीं, कोई लेना नहीं, कोई देना नहीं। और रिगार्डिंग आपने जो क्वालिटी के बारे में कहा है, हमने काफ़ी स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लिया है और लगातार इसके बारे में इतने कठोर निर्णय किए हैं और लगातार सुधार कर रहे हैं। पर कभी कभी क्या होता है कि सोशल मीडिया पर और पब्लिक में वी आर ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर नेशनल हाईवे. I am not responsible for state highway. I am not responsible for the city roads. I am not responsible for the rural roads. But I am only responsible for national highway. Many times इनके फोटो आकर फिर हमारे नाम पर बोलते कि ये कब होगा. जब हम इंक्वायरी करते तो 70% ऐसी बातें आती है कि जिसका हमारे साथ कोई संबंध नहीं. और जहां तक नेशनल हाईवे में क्वालिटी की बात है, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि हम इसके बारे में इतने अनेक अभी हमने लेटेस्ट निर्णय किया है कि जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ठीक काम नहीं करेगा उसको 2 साल तक हम डिबार कर देंगे, वो कोई टेंडर नहीं भर सकेगा. और मैं तो कोशिश कर रहा हूं कि समय आया तो सीआरपीसी का उपयोग करके भी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर पर कार्रवाई करेंगे और इसके बारे में किसी प्रकार का जो बिलो क्वालिटी का काम सहन नहीं करेंगे.
का पार्लियामेंट कला मंजूर या का सबका बीमा सबकी रक्षा इंश्योरेंस लॉ अमेंडमेंट बिल 2000 का बाइला चिस्पा नकाशिस्पा या का फॉरेन डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट हका कम इंश्योरेंस या का नेका बिल ला मंजूर दा का वॉइस वोट हराजा सभा हडियन बाला पंचायत दा का लोक सभा शुआ का शिसंग.
Motion moved that the bill be passed. The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. No. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The bill is passed.
Badagi tu ikubor nila poy siya kabakut tada dabangin daya siyambiyang kublay shibun.
Apex News, India Northeast.